The Manipur-wide 48-hour general strike called by Panchayati Raj institutions (PRIs) is underway. During the Bandh, members of PRIs blocked traffic movement. PRIs in the Valley districts have demanded release of MGNREGS funds, second installment of 15th Finance Commission, honorarium for Panchayat functionaries for the period from October 2019 to March 2021 and implementation of National Electronic Fund Management System (NEFMS) in Manipur. New cases of coronavirus infection in India were recorded above 2 lakh for the second day, taking the total tally of COVID-19 cases to 1,42,91,917 according to the Union Health Ministry data. The COVID-19 active caseload is 15,69,743, which now comprises 10.98% of the total infections. The recovery rate has increased to 87.80%, the data stated. A total of 2,17,353 new infections were registered in a day, while the death count increased to 1,74,308 with 1,185 daily new fatalities, the data updated at 8 a.m. showed. Manipur's COVID-19 total infection tally now has increased to 29,869 with 94 new cases registered in the past 24 hours. The fresh cases were from Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Bishnupur, Kakching, Senapati, Churchandpur, Ukhrul, Technopal and Tamenglong districts. A 29-year-old male from Thoubal succumbed at Thoubal District Hospital in the last 24 hours, taking the death toll to 378, said the state COVID-19 Common Control Room. The state's COVID-19 active cases are 385, while 29,106 persons have been recuperated so far. The recovery rate stands at 97.44%. The COVID-19 situation in Assam has deteriorated further yesterday. Assam registered a massive spike in the number of COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. As many as 1,651 COVID-19 positive cases have been detected in Assam and 3 more COVID-19 deaths were also recorded in the state.